Hey people, so we are at Dumont and that's my little child, and we are here for the Dumont Scoop Challenge, which is in in 9 seconds we need to scoop as much ice cream into this bowl. And it's no, in 9 seconds how many ever scoops you can. So for 200 rupees my kid is being a part of this. And Ayush, keep the bowl close by. Okay, so भैया बोल के okay, so it was a bit tough, I guess, na? Show me how much have you collected. Okay.
But I will give you what you were paying for 200, na?
So,
But this is the cost price is 240 rupees, but I am giving 128 grams.
okay.
She took only 33 grams.
Okay. So